Spider-Man No Way Home is the official title for the MCU's third Spider-Man film, a title that teases the movie's rumored connection to the multiverse. A slew of red herring titles were tossed online, leading up to the official reveal, including some from the film's cast. Now that the official title of No Way Home has been announced, however, previous rumors of the movie featuring a multiverse heavy storyline only look more likely. The multiverse is becoming increasingly central to the MCU in Phase 4. WandaVision has dabbled in alternate realities, and that trend will continue in a major way when Doctor Strange in Multiverse of Madness releases in 2022. Spider-Man Far From Home teased its own multiverse plotline, though that later turned out to be an elaborate trick. The exact plot of the movie hasn't been laid out yet, but it has been confirmed that the upcoming film will see him team up with Benedict Cumberbatch Doctor Strange. In the lead up to Spider-Man 3's release, a cavalcade of cameo rumors have been circulated, primarily focused on characters and actors from the past Spider-Man films. Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield's version of the hero have been subject of many theories, as have Alfred Molina's Dr. Octopus and Jamie Foxx's Electro, and more. All those rumors pointed to a multiverse storyline, which was supported by some of the false titles like Spider-Man Homeworlds. Now that the official title Spider-Man No Way Home has been finally revealed, the multiverse theory seems even stronger, with Spider-Man's secret identity revealed to the world and Peter framed for murder at the end of last film. He might have to go to the run to sort things out. No Way Home could mean a trip into alternate realities for Peter and possibly a tough time getting back. Could he be running for Kraven the Hunter? Many of the theories about cameos in Spider-Man 3 focus on characters entering the core MCU reality from other universes, thereby showcasing Sony's past Spider-Man series. However, the official No Way Home title mean that suppose the plot is being reversed, with Tom Holland's Peter Parker and possibly his friends traveling through other realities and encountering past versions of their. That's still just a conjecture at this point, but it could make an incredibly fun film. Of course, the multiverse plot was already done on screen recently with the critically acclaimed animated feature Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Retreating that the same territory with Spider-Man in the MCU certainly could have drawbacks, but it also could have equal unique opportunities to include past versions of the popular characters. Marvel has done a good job so far keeping details a secret, and most will likely remain unknown until Spider-Man No Way Home releases on this Christmas. No Way Home's title may go a step further by indicating that Spider-Man can't return home, since it's already known from leaks and official comments from Marvel Studios head Kevin Feige that Spider-Man 3 is connected to Doctor Strange through the Multiverse of Madness. It seems Peter Parker's next big problem will be taking him outside of his own timeline or reality. The multiverse connection could have just meant that Spider-Man will be dealing with threats that originate from other dimensions, but the official title all but confirms is his character is about to embark on an adventure into the multiverse. Talking about the fan theories about the title reveal video, there's no question about the inclusion of Iron Man Easter egg. Spotted at the top left of the whiteboard is a drawing of an arc reactor, the power source that Tony puts in his chest to keep him alive and power his suits. Tony Stark may be dead in the MCU, but it's likely that his role in Peter's life will still be clearly felt in Spider-Man No Way Home. The whiteboard is curiously filled with hexagon shapes. Some may wonder if this has something to do with the hex in WandaVision, since the show may relate to the multiverse, but these hexagons are actually chemical compounds. Other concepts stemming from chemistry are included too, and why that wouldn't be isn't clearly spelled out. The explanation for that could be relatively simple. Peter Parker has always been regarded as a science nerd. Marvel could just be referencing that, or it may be hinting at a specific villain. Alfred Molina's Dr. Octopus, who is reportedly appearing in the film, is a noted Home Alone were the words copyright issues. This joke is about the movie of the same name, an iconic John Hughes movie from 1990 about a child whose parents are away when the burglars break into his house. What the movie shares in common with Spider-Man 3 is that both are set at Christmas time, which could be a part of the reason why it's called out by the video. The next story says the COVID-19 pandemic, which is the reason why 2020 was devoid of any new Marvel content, was acknowledged through a few of titles such as Work from Home, Stay at Home, Homeschooled, and Zooming Home. With the coronavirus being the biggest issue that people all over the world has been confronting for a year now, it's not surprising that the video would make a reference to it in some way. Though this upcoming theory could be a stretch, a large number of fans are connecting the web design around No Way Home to Miles Morales, Marvel's second Spider-Man in the comic books. The basis of the theory is that Whiteboard has an hidden Miles Morales Easter egg, which is web is exactly like Puerto Rico, the place where Morales is from in Marvel Comics. This has fueled already building speculation that the fan-favorite superhero who was teased in Spider-Man Homecoming could be making his MCU debut in No Way Home. As per Marvel's comic book tradition, this revelation of Peter's identity will likely lead to the death of a major character that challenges Peter's idea of what a hero is and why he tried to be one in first place. Narrative thread would also chime well with the return of Garfield and Maguire, as Peter struggles to come to terms with his fractured identity both internally and externally. While Peter has already experienced tragedy surrounding of the death of his mentor Tony Stark, Stark's death was not a direct result of the relationship. As such, Peter has yet to be responsible for the death of a loved one, as experienced by Captain America with Bucky Barnes or Thor with Frigga. Throughout this comic book history, Spider-Man has suffered many such tragedies, something that the MCU could set up or fulfill in No Way Home. Spider-Man's famous maxim, "With great power comes great responsibility," has been a constant theme in nearly every iteration of this franchise, but the MCU Spider-Man has until now remained relatively free from more personal responsibility. The death of a major character in Peter's life as a result of his actions as Spider-Man and public unmasking would bring the MCU's wall crawler more in line with his comic book counterparts. Out of the Spider-Man's ensemble cast, girlfriend MJ or Aunt May are the most likely candidates for the job, with May being someone more likely than MJ due to the emotional pathos of killing of Peter Guardians and Emotional Rock. While MJ or May might be the most obvious choices given the arguably tradition of killing female characters to teach male protagonists life lessons, Peter's friend Ned Leeds could be a more interesting option. Ned knows Peter more than anyone else in the MCU and their bond has been clear from the start. Additionally, Ned's death could also bring his return as the villainous Hobgoblin, as many have speculated the MCU Ned will also take on this role. Through his transformation could also occur via Spider-Man 3's multiverse shenanigans. Both the Maguire and Garfield incarnations of Spider-Man have experienced similar situations with different versions of Harry Osborn, Peter's best friend and later enemy, who Ned functionally replaced in MCU. So like all great myths, the twist feels somewhat inevitable. While Peter's public unmasking looks set to mirror the events of Iron Man 3, wherein Tony Stark's public-facing personality allowed enemies to attack him closer to home. Ned's death and possibly return as Hobgoblin could also mirror Bucky's transformation into the Winter Soldier. While this is just speculation, echoing the character arcs of two departed, Iron Man and Captain America. arguably the central protagonist of the entire Infinity Saga, would send a surefire sign that Spider-Man was stepping up to be a major player in the second MCU saga following Spider-Man 3. So guys, that will bring us to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.